Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, I'm going to explain how to get a free SSL certificate for our website. So, I'm also going to explain what is this SSL, what does it mean, and how can we get it for free. So, let's start. Actually, SSL means Secure Socket Layer. Okay, so the full form of SSL is Secure Socket Layer. If any website contains this SSL, then we can say that particular website is secured. Okay, so let's say an example. So if you see this particular website, so if you click on this URL, you are seeing HTTPS here. HTTPS means Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secured. Okay, so which means this website is secured and this website has SSL certificate. And also beside this HTTPS, you can also see a lock symbol. Okay, this is known as padlock. If you click over this padlock symbol, we can see that the connection is secure. So here we can determine that this particular website has SSL certificate. So again I'm saying, if any website has SSL certificate, I mean either HTTPS or this padlock symbol, then that particular website is known as a secured website. You can also see many websites which don't have this HTTPS or SSL certificate also. If you see this particular website, so it does not have SSL certificate. Why? Because if I click on this URL, I'm not getting any HTTPS, as well as here it is showing up as not secure. So your connection to this site is not secure. So it is safe for a website to have SSL certificate. So I think now you got what is SSL certificate and all. So now let's see how to get an SSL certificate for free of cost. Friends, if you see this particular website goexplorer.xyz is also not having any SSL certificate. So in today's class, I'll be showing you how to add an SSL certificate for this website free of cost. So for this, we have to go to a website called cloudflare.com. So let's go to cloudflare.com. So this is how the cloudflare.com looks. If you have an account, login, or else please create an account. Let me sign up. So please give your username, password and all and create an account. So now it's time to add a site. You have to add your website for which you want to add an SSL certificate. Now please give your site name like goexplorer.xyz. No need to add any HTTP or www here. So please give your website name as they asked. And then click on add site. Now it shows you up with various plans. Go with free plan. Confirm. And now it will be scanning for your DNS records, domain name server records. So it will automatically take your website's DNS records. So just click on continue. Now we have to replace our existing DNS records with the DNS records given by the Cloudflare. So we have to go to our service provider and we have to replace the existing DNS records with the Cloudflare records. So please copy the name servers given here. So there are two name servers, right? We have to copy them and replace them with the existing name servers. So let's go to our service provider. So my service provider is GoDaddy, so I'm going to GoDaddy. So please sign up with your account here. So I am signing in with my account. So after you sign in, please go to my products. There you can see what all domains or what all hostings you bought. So go to that particular domain, so which you want to apply the SSL certificate, and then beside that go to DNS. Now scroll down a bit and click on change here. So here you can see name servers, right? So go there and click on the change option. So now we have to replace the name servers. So enter my own name servers. Now we have to place the name servers given by the Cloudflare. So I am copying them and placing them in the given name servers. So I have placed both the name servers. After that, please click on save. So after you update the name servers, it will take some time in order to activate the SSL certificate. So you can also check the name servers here. Simply click on get started, or else you can go with later also. So scroll down a bit and click on recheck now. So now you can see a box. It is saying that your SSL certificate will be active within a few hours. So we should wait for a few minutes in order to get it activated. And if you want this SSL certificate to be activated immediately, then we have to install a plugin in our website. So that plugin is known as Cloudflare Flexible SSL. So let's go to our website. So I'm logging into my admin panel, so our admin dashboard. So please log into your WordPress website using your username and password. So let me exit to dashboard. So now I'll go to plugins and I'll add a new plugin. Now search for Flexible SSL. So this is the plugin Cloudflare Flexible SSL. Please install and activate the plugin. So this plugin got installed in my website. So here it is. So yes, so let's go back to Cloudflare. Now click on that log symbol SSL and then go to Edge Certificates. Now scroll down a bit and enable always use HTTPS. Please enable that option. So now let's go to our website and check whether the SSL got activated or not. So please refresh the page once. So yes, the SSL got activated, but it may take some time for some people. So please wait, or else please erase the cookies and check once again. Your SSL certificate will be activated within some time. Okay, so that's how we can activate SSL certificate for our website.